Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to set up and verify your identity with Lendingclub. Now, after opening your Lendingclub bank account, the next step is to verify your identity. This process is quick and it ensures that your account stays secure. So let's get into it. The first step is to log into your new account. Go to lendingclub.com or open the Lendingclub mobile app and sign in using your credentials. Next is to go to identity verification. So just look for the prompt or notification asking you to verify your identity. Next is to upload your documents. So Lendingclub may ask for a government issued photo ID. You could use your driver's license, passport, or state ID. You're also going to need proof of address. You can get that from utility bills, lease agreements, or bank statements. Next step is to take a selfie. Now, when prompted, you're going to be asked to take a live selfie to match your photo ID just to verify your identity. Next is to wait for confirmation. Verification usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours. You're going to receive an email once it's approved. And that's it. Once your identity is verified, your account is fully active and ready for transfers, deposits, and spendings. In the next video, we're going to cover how to fund your Lendingclub account from another bank, so stay tuned to that video. But that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.